Good morning, Year 3s. Today in maths we are going to be talking about division. We've had a close look at addition this year, and as we know, addition is adding to a value. We recently had a look at subtraction, which is taking away, and we've been doing a lot of work with our multiplication this year. Things like times tables, and as we know, multiplication is making more groups of the same size, or more groups of the equal size, and that's obviously seen in our times tables, right? If we look at our 5 times table, for instance, we can make equal size groups of 5 to work our way through the 5 times table: 5, 10, 15, 20, and so forth. Or if we look at the 3 times table: 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, and so forth. So then, that leaves us with one of the operations, and that's division. Now, we've had a look at division throughout the year, but what we'd like to do today is have a closer look and introduce a strategy which you can use for division. Okay, so what is division? Well, many of you already know and are confident in saying that division is sharing. So let's say Mr. Worry has 27 sweets, his favorite number, and he wants to share that amongst 3 of his friends. So what we've learned in year 1 and year 2 is that we can create groups. So if I have 27 sweets and I want to share it amongst 3 friends, I can simply draw 3 groups like that. And then what I need to do is share out 27. And I share them out one by one, as you might do when you're handing the sweets to your friends. So 1 for you, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So I've shared them out. Now, what is the answer for our division problem? Well, when we divide, what we want to know at the end is how many is in one group that you've shared out. So if I share 27 into three groups, then what's in one group is my answer. So let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer would be 9. All right. Now, another thing that we had a look at this year was starting to discover that starting to have a look at the connections between division and multiplication. At this stage, a lot of us are realizing that there is a strong connection between division and multiplication. And if we just have a look at that division problem, and if you just have a look at these groupings, you'll start to realize that you'll start to see clues to suggest a multiplication problem. Have a look at this. We've got 3 groups of 9. 9 times 3. We've got 9, and we've got 3 groups of 9 equals 27. Or we can also show it like this. We've got 3 groups of 9 equals 27. So right here we can really start to make connections between times tables and division. And this can come in very handy when you have, for instance, a problem like this. 20 divided by 5 equals what? Now we could, again, draw out 5 groups and share 20. But really, what we could also do at this stage is think to ourselves, what times 5 equals 20? And if you know your multiplication tables nicely, then you'll know that 4 times 5 equals 20. So 20 divided by 5 equals 4. All right.